दैट्स द होटल, दैट्स होटल रामादा जहाँ पे हमने अपना स्टॉप लिया है. एंड दिस इज़ द रेस्टोरेंट. So we are here at the moment, and we're having the breakfast, and in about 10-15 minutes we'll leave from here. So guys, I'm ready to go, and the big thing was this, that I'm staying at the Taj Lake Palace in Udaipur. That's the hotel, that's the boat we'll be using to reach the hotel. Check-in formalities सारी बाहर ही हो जाती हैं, nothing inside the hotel. And let's wait once I reach there. So guys, this is the room. This is the luxury non-garden view room. It was actually, this is the base category room, and we had booked 2 luxury non-garden view rooms, but they upgraded one to a lake view. The hotel is sold out today, completely sold out है ये लोग. एक रूम इन्होंने हमारा गार्डन व्यू था उसको अपग्रेड करके लेक व्यू दे दिया है. ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री केक एंड अम्ब्रेला मम्मी के बर्थडे के लिए उन्होंने प्रोवाइड किया है. दैट्स द टेलीविज़न देयर. आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे रूम का साइज़ बहुत छोटा है, बट देन यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट एवरीथिंग. ये पैसा इन्होंने साइज़ का नहीं लिया. दैट्स द बाथरूम, वॉश बेसिन, द बाथ टब देयर, एंड स्मॉल है, बट देन अगेन जो पैसा है, जो मनी है, दैट्स फॉर द एम्बियंस, दैट्स फॉर द क्वालिटी, दैट्स फॉर द नेम. तो यू कांट एक्सपेक्ट everything to go your way. And obviously, now coming to the price, we have got this room for like 26,000 per night, inclusive of all the meals, that's breakfast, lunch and dinner. Around this time of the year, before the pandemic, the rates for this same room used to be 60 to 70,000 per night. Yes, that's 60 to 70,000 per night, and we've got this for 26,000 with all the meals included. So that's how badly the tourism has been affected, and that's how badly they want tourism to grow, and they're providing such offers. बहुत beautiful है, it's mesmerizing, and literally I'm short of words to probably describe this. This is right outside the room. ये है हमारा room. And then this is the terrace that they have. Look at this view. That's the Lake Pichola. Unbelievably beautiful है, and you know, you can never be complete of superlatives to describe this. So guys, this is the restaurant, and as I told you, we have our breakfast, lunch, dinner all included. So we have come here for lunch. टाइम ज़्यादा नहीं बचा है, 3:30 तक लंच होता है, so we have to be quick. Beautiful restaurant, it's breathtakingly beautiful, and it's full as well. That's the salad and desserts buffet, and main course I'll show you what I'm eating. That's my food for now. Some chole, some juice, some buns. This is the tomato raita, and that's some chaat as well, and main course is yet to come. So, what's up, guys? We'll now give you a tour of the hotel, which I haven't been able to because of uh, the beauty it possesses. But now I'll give you the tour. So, this is the back area of the hotel. ये उस रेस्टोरेंट का पीछे का एरिया है. दैट्स द रेस्टोरेंट जहाँ हम लोगों ने लंच किया था. एंड दिस इज़ द बैक ड्रॉप with a beautiful pool, and those are the rooms there. It is just absolutely beautiful. No words to say. And now I'll show you the lobby and the other places as well. Then guys, this is the courtroom. This is their courtroom named Jhankar. यहाँ पे राजस्थानी फोकलोर इनका शो होता है every evening from 5 to 6 p.m. This is beautiful, and this is the restaurant where we ate our lunch. Then this seating from the lobby front, and this is the main lobby. This is the main lobby. That's the lake, the reception area. That's the shopping area right there in front, and that's the Lake Pichola that you see right there. The terrace. रूम में आ गया हूँ वापस गाइस आफ्टर द एंटायर टूर. वी हैड सम मॉकटेल्स, सम टी इन द पोर्च एरिया. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल व्यू है शाम को, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल व्यू है. देन वी सॉ द राजस्थानी फोकलोर डांस शो दैट आई टोल्ड यू, झनकार कोर्टयार्ड में जो उनका होता है. इट वॉज अमेजिंग. आई पुट दैट इन द ब्लॉग. फाइनली रूम में आ गया हूँ. अमेजिंग फीलिंग, अमेजिंग होटल, अमेजिंग प्रॉपर्टी. इट्स बीन अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू. फाइनली आई एम स्टिल शॉर्ट ऑफ वर्ड्स. आई डोंट नो, मुझे नहीं पता कैसे एक्सप्लेन करना है, कैसे इसको शब्दों में बयान करना है. तो आप लोगों को कैसे बयान करना है. एक्चुअली कुछ चीज़ ऐसी है कि बयान करने से किसी को नहीं समझ में आएगी, ब्लॉग्स में नहीं, जब तक कि आप खुद एक्सपीरियंस नहीं कर लेते हैं. बट स्टिल आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि मैं आपको ओवरव्यू दे पाऊँ. आई एम बैक इन द रूम, बिट टायर्ड, बट देन अगेन द टायर्डनेस इज वर्थ what I am seeing and witnessing here. It's an amazing property. It's an absolutely amazing property. I told you, sold out hai. They don't have even a single room available. Generally foreigners से भरा होता है, but as international travel is still very on the low, full of Indians, full of top class people. Almost all of them are Indians, and it's been an amazing night so far. डिनर बाकी है करना. I don't think मैं उसको इस vlog में include कर पाऊंगा because I'll have to put this vlog tonight itself. So maybe I can tell you guys कि मैंने डिनर में क्या खाया maybe in the next vlog, but I don't think so because मैं डिनर करने 9:30 बजे से पहले नहीं जाऊंगा, which will be too late for me to edit this vlog, and I'll have to put, I have to put this today itself. So पसंद आया तो please like, share, comment and do subscribe to the channel. I really need that. Thank you.